Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you how to make these old yellowing oxidized headlights clear again. They're going to go from this to this, using this. So a lot of the damage here is done on the outside of the headlight. I can't tell if the inside of the headlight is no good either, but the outside of the headlight is yellowing. You could feel it, it's not smooth, it's all pitted, which indicates that it can be polished out. On my truck, you could see this is also yellowing, but it's actually yellowing from the inside. This is nice and smooth, and it's pretty clean on the outside. So I wouldn't be able to do this trick on a headlight like this. But for something that you can feel it's not smooth on the outside, and you could see that there's all spots and it's yellow on the outside, this trick will definitely help you out. So you want to make sure that you use a toothpaste that has some grittiness to it, and is an actual toothpaste, not a gel. This one has baking soda and peroxide for whitening, which actually will help get this a little bit clearer, and this is all gritty, so this is the perfect toothpaste to use. If the toothpaste isn't gritty, you could add baking soda to the toothpaste. All we're gonna do is get a bunch of toothpaste and rub it in. Make sure you rub it in good. Get it all over the headlight. You could buy a headlight restoring kit for about $15–20 bucks, but with this toothpaste it's $1 and you'll get similar results. If you want, you could even use a toothbrush and brush it in there really good. And you can tell by the dirtiness of the toothbrush that this is actually working pretty good. The toothpaste itself was white and it's kind of turning yellow now, so this is working. After brushing the headlight a good amount, working that toothpaste in there really good, we're gonna grab our dental floss, take a bunch out. I'm just kidding, we're not using dental floss. The older, the more yellow and the more hazy your headlights, the longer you're gonna have to brush, and you might even have to do 2 applications of toothpaste. Another thing that you could use to make this go faster is a Dremel with a little buffing wheel on it. Just buff all this toothpaste right into the headlight instead of brushing it in with a toothbrush. This might give you better results, but because not everybody has a Dremel, I'm not gonna use it. And if you do use a Dremel, make sure you use it on the low settings, so you don't want it to spin fast, otherwise you could melt your plastic. So now I just have a spray bottle with some water. I use warm water and just give it a little spray. And I'm using a paper towel. And just a lot of pressure, buff it out. Get a clean paper towel for the final wash off here. And after you wash it off completely, I'm going to use some wax, and this will provide a protective layer so that your headlights don't get all yellow real quickly again, and it'll keep them nice and clear. So now we'll take off the wax, and you can see how much more clear the headlights are, and this is just using 1 coat of toothpaste. If you want to get it even clearer, you can use more coats. I'll show you before and after. Hopefully this little quick tip was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. I publish how-to videos weekly and I answer all the questions and comments you guys leave in the comment section below. On the screen is going to be another video to show you another method to get these really clear. If this method didn't work for you, check out that video. To get to that video, you could click on the screen or you could click on the link in the description below. And also in the description below are the links to the Chris Fix Facebook and Twitter pages. If you use Facebook or Twitter, go check it out.